If you're considering buying Uplift landing page software, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. By the end of this video, you'll understand how it stacks up against competitors and if it's the right fit for you. First thing, Uplift promises a fast and easy way to create landing pages without needing coding experience. The drag and drop interface is user-friendly, making it a great option for beginners, especially when compared to some more complex tools out there. Next thing, it offers a range of templates that you can quickly customize. However, compared to its competitors like Unbounce, Uplift's library may feel a bit limited in style and variety. If you're looking for highly specialized designs, you might find it lacking. The third thing to consider is pricing. Uplift is more affordable than some of its high-end competitors like Leadpages or Instapage. But that affordability comes at a cost. Some advanced features are behind higher tier pricing, so you'll need to decide if it's worth the investment based on your needs. The fourth thing, automation is a big draw for Uplift. You can set up automated follow-ups, emails, and actions, which is great for streamlining your workflow. However, keep in mind that other platforms like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp may offer deeper integration and more robust automation tools if that's a priority for you. Next up, performance. Uplift provides fast load times for landing pages, which is crucial for conversion rates. This is a big plus compared to some competitors who may have slower performance due to excessive bloat or a lack of optimization. The sixth thing, Uplift supports A/B testing. This feature helps you test variations of your pages to find what works best for your audience. But compared to a tool like Optimizely, Uplift's A/B testing features are a bit more basic, lacking advanced segmentation and reporting. The seventh thing you need to know is the integrations. Uplift integrates with major platforms like Google Analytics and CRM tools. But if you're relying on specific third-party apps or need more niche integrations, some competitors may offer more flexibility in this area. Next thing, Uplift comes with a decent set of analytics tools. You'll be able to track the performance of your landing pages. However, compared to some competitors, the reporting features might feel a bit too basic if you're looking for in-depth insights and advanced metrics. The ninth thing, Uplift's customer support is solid, offering chat support and a helpful knowledge base. But when compared to platforms like ClickFunnels, which provides 24/7 support, Uplift's support might seem limited during off hours. The 10th thing, mobile responsiveness is key for landing pages, and Uplift delivers in this area. Pages created on Uplift automatically adjust to mobile devices without additional tweaking. Still, it's worth noting that some competitors like Instapage offer more mobile-optimized design options right out of the gate. The 11th thing is security. Uplift comes with SSL encryption for all your landing pages, giving you and your visitors peace of mind. However, if security is a top concern, you may want to consider platforms that offer more advanced features like two-factor authentication or dedicated hosting. Finally, let's talk about the trial. Uplift offers a 14-day free trial, which is great for getting a feel for the software before committing. This is a solid option compared to platforms like Leadpages, which only offers a 30-day money-back guarantee instead of a full free trial. So, is Uplift landing page software a good option? Yes, for beginners and small businesses looking for an affordable and simple solution to creating landing pages, it's a solid choice. But if you're looking for more advanced features, flexibility, or integrations, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.